So if we have a circle here and we have two segments, and these segments each measure 6 and this measures a 4, and we don't know what this is, the rule is, if it looks like a railroad crossing sign, the rule is that 6 times 6, so the two pieces of one segment equal the other two pieces multiplied together. So we get 36 equals 4x, so x equals 9. And that would be the answer to that problem. If we have a circle with two tangents, these two sides have to be equal. So if this is 7x minus 5 and this is x plus 7, we just make 7x minus 5 equal to x plus 7. Subtract x from both sides, we get 6x. Add 5 to both sides, and we get 12, and x equals 2. If they ask you for x, you're finished. If they ask you for one of these, you just plug in the 2, so that would be equal to 9, and this would be equal to 9. So whichever one they ask you for, you can answer the question.